I was always cherish your love whenever I come to India, and that's why I stay with you all the time in Juna Bangla, because I get all the love in Juna Bangla with Ma, Bai, Kaka Sahab, everybody's memory. And I don't know what else to say. You always
Good host.
Ujjwala and you both were very good hosts. That is the thing. But then you always care for me, and all the brothers are care for me. But especially I stay with you because I am with the Juna Bangla. Okay, love you, and you have a wonderful birthday with family and everybody, and we do miss that party. Okay, so when I come, we'll celebrate again. Okay, bye, love you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lalit.
Happy birthday
to you.
Hi guys, in 1967 I got married and came to the Sangvi house. Lalit was 17 years old, I think so. Just college going, quiet, studious, and always wanted to do well in whatever he does. But the best part was during Ramesh's wedding, which was going on, Ujjwala's proposal came from Dr. Sri Srimal through my father. All of us were so excited about Lalit's engagement that we forgot about Ramesh's wedding. Bai wanted both the weddings together. But then they got spaced out 20-25 days apart. And Dr. Sri Srimal just asked me, are you happy in the Sangvi house? And that's why Ujjwala is here today. Bye. Happy birthday, Lalit. Happy 70 years and keep good health.
Dear brother, welcome to the club of 70s. It comes once in a lifetime. We have lots of childhood memories. Oh, 70 years together. That's a lot. How fast they went by. Looking forward for many more to come. Brother, wish you all the best on your 70th birthday. Cheers.
Hi Lalit, wish you a happy birthday, a big milestone you have to cross, and wish you many more milestones to cross with Elan. All the best, enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi Lalit bhai, wish you a very happy birthday.
Wishing you good health and happiness always.
Hello family, welcome to the 70th birthday celebration of Lalit, our dear Lalu bhai. I'm really happy कि उज्ज्वला ने मुझे इतना फैमिली मेंबर समझा और बोला ललित के बारे में कुछ दो शब्द अच्छे बोलने के लिए, बट थोड़ा नाराज हूँ कि आखिर में 2 मिनट में आदमी क्या बोल सकता है. बट एनीवे दैट्स बिसाइड द पॉइंट. आई कांट बिलीव हम लोग को सबको साथ में रहते रहते हुए 70 इयर्स हो गए हैं. जूना बंगला, शिवाली मिलिट्री स्कूल और आदि चड्डी में. आदि चड्डी करके हम बड़े हो गए. फिर जब बड़े हुए तब लल्लू और नंदू की एक बड़ी जोड़ी हो गई. हम लोग साथ घूमते थे, बाहर जाते थे, प्रेम से मस्ती मजाक करते थे. ये हमारी जवाबदारी थी कि पूरे फैमिली के बच्चों को एंटरटेन करने के लिए. इसमें हमारी खास मदद की हमारी यंग कजिन ने, डॉक्टर मधुलाल. मैं लल्लू भाई के बारे में आपको खाली 3 किस्से बताता हूँ जिससे मालूम पड़ेगा उसका नेचर क्या था और आज भी वो है. फर्स्ट, जब 1972 में हम लोग लंदन गए थे तब होटल में रहते तो लल्लू भाई ने इतनी वहां हंगामा किया, इतना हंगामा किया कि लैंड लेडी से आइदर यू शट अप और आई थ्रो यू आउट ऑफ द रूम. 1982 जब हमारी फैमिली वॉज गोइंग थ्रू डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स, पैसे की थोड़ी तंगी थी, तो हम लोग बाहर घूमने पीने जाते थे. जब बिल का टाइम आता था तो सब अपने हाथ में पॉकेट में हाथ डालते थे. लल्लू भाई एक ही आदमी था जो पॉकेट में हाथ डालता था, पर्स निकालता था और पेमेंट करता था. और आखिर में लल्लू भाई का नेचर ऐसा है कि कोई भी आउट ऑफ टाउन से आता है, वेदर माई सेल्फ, कामिनी, डॉक्टर शाह, कोई भी बॉम्बे से, अब्रॉड से आता है, तो लल्लू भाई इज टू मॉरली एंटरटेन हिम इन हिज हाउस और टेक अस आउटसाइड वेयर इज टू गो. आई डू नॉट नो ये क्रेडिट लल्लू को जाता है या उज्ज्वला को जाता है या शायद दोनों को जाता है. एनीवे अभी मैंने कानों से सुना है लल्लू भाई ने बहुत पैसे कमाए हुए हैं, तो उसकी परेशानी है कि क्या करना. खर्चता नहीं है ना. मैं बोला कि मुझे अडॉप्ट कर लो, मैं पैसे खर्चूंगा, उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा, मेरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. सो फैमिली, लेट्स सी ऑन द 2nd September to celebrate Lalit's birthday. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
ए लल्लू, तेरे बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं, तू है गोलू, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी में नंबर 1 तू, लगता पलंग के नीचे सब माल तू, इसीलिए नहीं जाता कहीं बाहर तू, स्विमिंग रनिंग योगा में पढ़े पूरे साल तू, संघवी फैमिली की जान तू, 70 साल की उम्र में भी चले शान से तू, टिके रहना ऐसे ही आने वाले सालों में तू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, पार्टी देने में न करना तू कंजूसी तू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. चीयर्स.
Hello Lalit, how are you? We wish you a very very happy birthday. See you soon. Okay, cheers.
Bye, Lalit.
Cheers.
All the best to you. Coming to 70. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Start.
Hi Lalat, cheers. How are you?
And do you remember what you used to do? I'm just doing the action. देख बाहर बराबर. अच्छा ने બીજું 1 મિનિટ में લાલ કરન વતાડ તું તારું મૂડું ટીકન કરે હસે ને બસ. I want to see that. Okay, many happy returns of the day. Happy 70th birthday and cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lalit. Happy birthday to you. Welcome to 70 group.
Cheers.
Hi Lalit, wishing you very very happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Cheers.
Cheers.
अरे पार्टी का है यार, आ जाओ मेरे घर पे, साथ में खाना खाएंगे.
नहीं, उज्ज्वला का फेवरेट ब्लू डायमंड, वहाँ जाएंगे पार्टी करने.
वो तो जाएंगे ही, अरे वहाँ भी जाएंगे, बैंकॉक भी जाएंगे, सब जगह जाएंगे. जल्दी आ जाओ. ऑल द बेस्ट.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lalit. Happy birthday to you. Happy 70th birthday, Lalit. Lalit, our association and friendship is more than 60 years long, that it is very difficult to put them in a few words. So many good occasions and fond memories in life that each occasion can be an episode of a never-ending TV serial. With you and me in the lead role.
And wives are villains. Jokes apart, you have always been a good support and a helpful person for our family.
Lalit,
we
wish you a very happy
and a good healthy life. God bless you.
Hi Lalit, wishing you a very happy birthday. It's been a long journey of friendship, fun and laughter. And we have a happy store of memories, good fun memories. What's your favorite memory?
My favorite time when we went to the Rockies.
Why is it your favorite time? What do you remember?
In the train, called you Trouble, Trouble, Trouble. Cheers to you.
Lalit and Ujjwala. Lalit, wishing you a happy birthday. 70 is milestone in our life. So enjoy yourself now. Wishing you all the best for the coming years.
Hey Lalit, have a happy birthday and have many more happy birthdays. And we remember you very well. We remember your kindness in the cruise to Panama, and we look forward to more such cruises. Whenever you open the Mahabaleshwar bungalow, let us know. We would like to join you and Abhay and have a great time like old time. Thank you. Bye.
Dear Lalit, also known as our Lallu, welcome to the 70s Club.
Wishing you a day filled with blessing and a joy. May you feel loved by all those around you. And I love you, my brother. Happy birthday.
Lalit, this is how we feel about you. You look like 32, feel like 22, act like 16, and the total makes you 70. Now, Lalit, I had so many wonderful memories of Rutgers, memories of the Goa trip with all the boys we went, and I'll just tell you one story. Obviously, a lot of people might know about it. Is you were working in a night shift in a beer factory. You had a car called Corvair, which was the most unsafe car ever manufactured. And you hit a pole. You had an accident. There were no airbags. Miraculously, you came out without any scratch. And then you get on to the apartment in the evening. We used to all drink. Manju will make pakoras, and we used to have jolly good time. And remember that you would stand on top of a table and start your famous speech, Friends and Romance. So I hope you still remember that speech. So make sure on your birthday, have lots of drinks, stand on top of a table, and recite your speech for old time's sake. So we'll leave you, guy. Take care. All the best.
Love
Bye.
you. Bye.
Here's wishing you a very happy 70th birthday from your dear friend Anil and Rajul, and wish you good health and happiness always. And I'm going to say your most favorite dialogue from Anil's side, which we always connect you with. Friends, Romans and countrymen, lend me your ears. I've come here to bury Caesar, not to praise him. And cheers!
Happy 70th birthday to you, Lalit, and wish you many more to come. Wishing you the greatest on your big day. It's wonderful to have a chance to wish you on your birthday a lot of joy, happiness, excitement in your celebration, and good luck in life. I am grateful to have you in my life, and I never forget how blessed I am. All our life, you had been a constant friend and companion. During holidays, we were together and also been there to hang out and have fun. We had the best of times together, and birthday should be no different. We are family and best friends all roll into one, and will always be your back and always someone you love and trust. We have had a crazy beautiful life, and I sure wouldn't trade our memories for the world. Stay wild and have a fantastic day. I and Shakun jointly once again wish you happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Have a beautiful and wonderful life ahead. Thank you. And hi Ujjwala and hi Ujjwala's family. Thank you.
Hi Lalit, happy birthday to you.
Hi Lalit, happy birthday to you. Have a good day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, wishing you on this very special day a lovely, a wonderful, and a very healthy 70th birthday. A fatherly figure to me, though a person of few words. I have a lifetime of memories about you. I have a lifetime of stories about you. I have a lifetime of incidents about you. Your patience, your enthusiasm, your fitness always inspires us. So once again, happy birthday.
Hi Lalit uncle, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. I know you're going to get a lot of wishes today, so I'm going to keep mine short. Wish you a very happy birthday, a very safe and healthy year. Have fun, take care, bye.
Hey Lalit uncle, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday. I heard you're turning 70. You still look super young and dashing, at 70. I hope we can be as fit and healthy as you at that age. And anyways, wish you a very happy birthday, take care, and hoping to see you guys soon,
This is for you, Lalit. Wishing you a very happy 70th and many more to come.
You have always been a live wire amongst our friends. I hope you continue to be the same. Wishing you once again a very happy and healthy life ahead. All the best. Cheers to that.
Cheers, Lalit.
Cheers, Lalit.